In this video, we're going to share 3 tips with you on how you can live stream like a pro, and we're starting right now. Hi, my name is Walter Strong, the host of The Huddle, where I help you broaden your reach, your impact, and income through online video. If you're new here, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel and click the alert notification button so when you get the alert, you can watch us, and it's going to add value to your life. Doing live streaming can help you broaden your reach and your visibility for your YouTube channel. However, to be able to live stream like a pro, it's going to take these 3 tips. Tip number 1, optimize your live streams before you go live. Optimizing your live streams simply means schedule your live streams so that notifications can go out for your viewers. Have a compelling title that will get your viewers' interest in wanting to watch it, and have a custom thumbnail that's going to grab their attention. Tip number 2, have your live stream with a run of show. A run of show has a great opening hook, has great quality content, and it's going to provide a call to action for your viewers to watch your live streams. And then finally, optimize your replay. You want to get more replay views through having YouTube chapters, having end screens, and the info cards that will encourage your viewers to watch your next videos. So the question that I have for you, my fellow content creator, is what are you doing to live stream like a pro to get more visibility and more reach? Drop down in the comment section and give me your feedback on this video. And if you've gotten great value from this video, click the thumbs up button, share this on your favorite social media platform. If you're looking to grow as a content creator through online video and live streaming, check out this next video. God bless.